Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dr. Jacobs. In this video, I'm gonna go over how to diagnose Achilles tendonitis. I will go over the 5 signs and symptoms that may indicate that you have Achilles tendonitis. So before I go over the signs and symptoms, we need to understand what is Achilles tendonitis. So tendon, by definition, is a cord that connects actually a muscle to a bone, and you can see it here in this image. This is a muscle, the Achilles muscle, and you have the Achilles tendon. So the tendon is actually the cord, the connective tissue that connects the muscle to the bone. And when we have any time the word ending with itis, like tendonitis, that's indicative of inflammation of the tendon. So it's Achilles tendonitis, so inflammation in the tendon of the Achilles muscle. And when you see it here, when you don't have inflammation, it looks like nice and smooth. Sometimes when you have a tear, it's look like this, usually random spots of tear, unless you have a total tear, which is a very rare condition. So with Achilles tendonitis, you usually experience dull pain with the movement, and you feel tenderness around this area on the tendon. So the first sign and symptoms for Achilles tendonitis: experiencing pain in the back of your leg. You might experience it in the calf, and usually experiencing the pain in the tendon area in the back of your heel. The second sign and symptoms is inflammation and thickness in this area, and this usually happen after you have sports injury or trauma or accidents or fall or other poor biomechanic of the foot that cause tear in the tendon, and that could cause the Achilles tendonitis. The third sign and symptoms is experiencing ankle stiffness. So when you walk, when you stand, when you put weight on your leg, you will feel stiffness in your ankle. So Achilles tendonitis usually occur in the back of the leg, and the heel area, the pain that you experience. So you have here the heel, and the tendons attach here from the back of the calcaneus bone here, and going up all the way to the calf muscle that's attached up to the knee. So when you have Achilles tendonitis, usually the inflammation and the fibrotic tissue around this area, and actually a lot of the time I notice with a lot of patients that you have a lot of issue in the calf muscle with fibrotic tissue and inflammation, and that's usually the location for the Achilles tendonitis. The fourth sign and symptoms for Achilles tendonitis is experiencing pain with running, climbing stairs, or sprinting. Basically, when you put weight on your heel, you will experience pain. So usually with compact or impact sports or impact activity, and with worst case, actually you will feel it while you walk every time you put weight on your heel. The fifth sign and symptom is morning tenderness, and usually that tenderness occur around that area of the inflamed area or the area that has been damaged in the tendon of the Achilles. So I'm gonna leave a link underneath this video for the 8 causes and risk factors for Achilles tendonitis. I also will leave a link for the 3 most effective, powerful approaches to naturally relieve Achilles tendonitis. If you have any comment or question, leave it in the comment section. I will answer it in the future video. We'll see you soon. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.